Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to restore Facebook Messenger chats without the pin. Alright, so let's begin. The short answer is that it depends on how the messages were removed. If the chat was only archived or still exists on Facebook servers, there may still be a chance to recover it. However, if messages were permanently deleted or came from end-to-end encrypted conversations where the recovery keys were lost, restoration may not be possible. If the conversation was archived rather than deleted, open the Messenger app and go to your menu section. From there, locate the archived chats area and look through the stored conversations. Once you find the chat you want to restore, simply open it and send a new message. This will move the conversation back into your regular inbox and make it visible again. If the messages were deleted instead of archived, there is no direct undo option to restore them back into your account. However, you can still try downloading your Facebook account information because the messages may still exist in Facebook's data records if they have not yet been removed from their servers. To do this, open the Facebook app and make sure you are logged into your account. Tap on 3 lines at the top left and then go into Settings and Privacy, then open the Settings section. Scroll until you find Account Center and open it. Inside that area, select your information and permissions, then choose Export your information. Next, tap Create Export and choose your account. Select Export to Device and choose Messages from the list of available information categories. You can then select a date range and choose a format such as JSON or HTML before starting the export process. Once the export file becomes available, download and open it. If the messages still existed on Facebook's servers at the time of export, they may appear inside the downloaded data. However, if the content was already permanently removed by Facebook, it will no longer be included. If none of these methods work, your final option may be contacting the other person involved in the conversation and asking them to resend important messages or checking whether you previously created any backups, and that's it. This is how you can restore Facebook Messenger chats without the pin. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.